Ooh, hello.
Where? Oh, Colombia. Okay.
Yo.
What's up?
Okay.
The yeah. For sure.
That's all
Nah.
I got.
Nah. You good. How old are y'all?
23.
27.
27, 23, 24. That's what's up. But nah though.
You 20?
Huh?
Ouch.
You said what?
I'm like, why she ain't say nothing? I'm sorry. I keep forgetting.
Nah, what she say?
No, it's okay. My
Nah.
friend over here.
Nah, okay. For sure though. Alright, so look. Real quick, can y'all rate me on a scale of 1 through 10? 1 through 10?
8.
I was gonna say 8, yeah.
So I feel like y'all gave me an 8 because one person said an 8.
No, I was thinking that they just said it first. Definitely an 8. Like you're not ugly, you're cute.
Okay, for sure. Appreciate it. Alright, now before I get to the nuts thing after that, I'm gonna have y'all rate my homeboys also. You feel me?
They homeboys
But
with
if
you.
you gonna be on YouTube,
Right. I can't be on no YouTube.
Nah, you not.
How old is your home?
Everybody's over the age of 20.
I'm gonna say a 6 because you look like a kid.
They all look young. I think this is just a woman thing because I was gonna say 6.
A 6?
He just looks young.
They look
young.
like a kid.
Okay.
I can't see his face.
How you can't see his face?
You had the camera in front of his
Also,
face.
the
Half
camera
his
is-
face.
Oh, the camera's in. Oh, you saying like the camera's always in his face? Okay. Oh, there's one right there.
Yeah.
Also 6.
7.
Maybe without the glasses, a 7.
It's 6, 7, 6, 7. Okay. Oh, okay. Hold on. All right. Here's another one.
Same. He looked like the other one.
He look like.
Oh, 7.
Okay. So they look the same. All right.
He look gay.
You said he look what?
I did not say that. I did not say that.
It's somebody that's not.
It's somebody that's not in the camera.
You said he look what?
What you thought she said?
Nah. He said he looked sweet.
Basically, yes. This one's got a little sweetness. Why are you doing it? These your friends? Absolutely not.
Well, he get.
Ugly. You got some girl. Why you rating your friends if they not with you?
Because like, I mean, of course they can't be with me on the app. Like,
So
Yeah.
is you sending these? You sending them these?
nah, they all in the group chat. Like we all in the group chat.
Okay.
Type.
You feel me? Yeah.
He looked like what's that dude?
He's
name?
cute. He look like Blueface.
What's the dude name?
He don't look like no damn
Who's the dude that did it right in Destiny? Keith Powers? I don't know Keith Powers.
No.
He do look like Keith Powers
does
from the
not.
side.
Wait.
He hot.
He's cute.
He's cute, but he don't look like no Keith Powers.
Okay. For sure.
Hello?
That yeah. All right, that was everybody though.
Ooh, hello.
Bro, that's a kid game.
Who's a kid?
Nah, I wasn't talking about y'all.
Oh.
Nah,
Why is your room so plain? Mind your business.
yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, real quick, how old are y'all?
19.
19. What about the one on the y'all both are?
Mhm.
Okay. All right, real quick, can y'all do me a favor? Can y'all rate my group chat for me
Right. Okay, we got you.
and give honest ratings? You feel me? Don't try and sugarcoat nothing.
Mhm.
All right. Hold on, why is my phone tripping?
8. Yeah, same.
So an 8.
Mm-hmm.
An 8. All right. All right.
A 5.
4.
5, 4. Okay.
He look young.
Nah, he 20. About to be 21 in July.
He had like 7. Yeah, same.
7. All right. Hold on. Hold on.
He look like the freaking what would you do if I was like
Oh my god, the one who be covering himself in chocolate in the car? Oh my gosh, yes. He's a 3.
He looked like Blow.
3.
No, he's like a 5, 6 maybe.
5, 6. So he in the same caliber with everybody else.
No.
He a little lower.
A little lower. Okay. That's reasonable. All right, hold on. Let me see. Oh, hold on. That was everybody, wasn't it?
It's so fun. Toilet in a circle is so fun.
Yeah. That was everybody.
Okay.
Appreciate y'all though.
What about you?
Oh yeah, y'all
You
can
not
rate me
in
too.
the
Yeah. Nah, y'all can rate me too.
10 out of 10, honey.
10.
A 10 out of 10. All right, for sure. Nah, but before I leave though, I can get y'all Instagrams.
Which one?
Uh, the one in the green.
Oh, I know you smiling.
I unlocked the screen, bro. I unblocked the screen for him to see it. Like, yo,
Yo.
real quick, are you at least 18 or over the age of 18?
I'm 18.
Okay. All right. Oh, I just dropped my phone. All right, real quick. All right, can you rate my friend group for me?
Sure. 8.
You said an 8.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
7.
A 7.
Mm-hmm. 6.
A 6. All right, and then we got one more.
5.
5. So like a 5, 6, and then I think you had a 7, and then another 7.
8.
Oh. So 8, 7, 6, 5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then can I get a rating too?
8.
A 8. So like,
Now rate me.
nah, you smooth. Yeah, you get about like a. Well, hold on, wait. Why when I say you smooth, like you rested your face like you was mad? I didn't say you was ugly. I just said you was smooth. Like,
All right, just rate me.
you get about like a cool. Ah, you get about a smooth 8, 8.5. Like you straight. Like you're not ugly.
Like, no.
Yeah, see, you know. But nah, though. Oh, real quick, I can get your Instagram.
Yeah. Let me type it.
All right, baby. I got it. All right, appreciate
All
it.
right.
Bro, I'm saying, like, I'm saying, like, what, like, bro.
How old are y'all? Huh? You said 18?
8. Yeah.
Okay, okay, all right. Look. So, can everybody that's 18 and up, can y'all do a rating for me real quick for my group? Yeah, just everybody that's 18 and up. All right, this is the first one. Oh my God. 6, 7. Okay. Hold on, wait. Okay, hold on, because it's a lot of glazing going on. Hold on. Okay, so real quick, somebody said he's a 10 because he have glasses. The other person I just showed, he got glasses too.
Okay, but he didn't have one. That was her shit.
So, cause he ain't have them on, he ain't get the 10. Okay. All right, look, we got another person.
No. Okay, listen. I'm gonna give him a 3 because he looks nice. He looks nice. I love how you're. Yeah, you're.
So wait, what he get? What's his rating?
2 or a 3.
A 2 or a 3?
Yo, we shouldn't hold up numbers.
A 2, 2, 3. Okay, hold on. Yeah, that works better. Okay, so hold on. Okay, everybody hold. Yeah, just hold their fingers up. All right, so I'm gonna go back to the first person. Okay.
I love you.
6. Okay. 6, 7. Okay. Cool. All right. God, GTB. All right. Okay. And then we got 2 more.
I'm not gonna lie. Oh, yeah, freckles. Okay.
All right. Hold on. Wait. I heard all the ratings go down when I showed the last picture, so I'm just gonna show the first one.
Oh hell no! What the fuck?
Let's put your face.
So, all right, a 10, a couple of 10s, couple of 7s. Okay. All right. And then we got one more.
This last one better be fine as shit. Hey, Rican. Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy. Hey. Can I? The numbers just keep. Is it?
All right. Hold on. Hold the hands back up. What he get? A 10, 9, 10, 10, 5, 2. Okay. All right. That pretty decent. All right. But now though. Huh?
Oh, stop.
Uh, hold on. Wait. So real quick. Okay. So since everybody got their own opinions and stuff, real quick, I'ma drop everybody's IG in the chat, and then y'all just follow the person that y'all think that's a 10 out of
Do
10.
the second one.
Do the second one.
And
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all gotta get the Gooch game. God dang. Alright. Hold on. I'm about to. Alright, bro.
Same time.
Oh,
Nah,
You're
cause
cute. I like your tattoos.
appreciate
You're
what
cute
what
and you're chop at the same time. I,
I just
can I say I like his tattoos and teeth?
hold on, wait.
You
Hold
what
on,
size is your dick?
Wait. The person that called me Chop, can they come into the camera real quick?
Ooh, why he clock your teeth? Why he clock that teeth?
I
Would you
mean,
like to come into the camera?
no, I'm saying like, can they come into the camera?
I'm right here.
Can you like come down so I can see your whole face? Cause if you got the audacity to call me chopped, I just want to see what you look like. Oh
I
yeah.
didn't even say
Oh
nothing.
yeah.
Why are
No,
you
no,
fighting me?
no. Get that off my screen. No, 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 no. Oh no. Oh. Yo,
Yep.
how y'all doing?
Good.
Good. Real quick, are y'all 18 or above the age of 18? How old are y'all?
Well, I'm 18.
Okay. All right, real quick. I want y'all to rate my friend group for me real quick.
Hmm.
Sleepy?
Oh, rate him.
Yeah.
Oh,
He a 5.
1.2.
A 1.2?
Yeah.
Oh, he ain't that.
He's like
That's 6, 7.
6'7".
6, 7?
7.8.
7.8?
He'll cool 8.
A 8?
7 actually, yeah, 8.
A 8?
Not, no. 7.8.
7.8? At that point, you might as well just give him an 8.
No.
Alright.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
What he get?
Mm-mm.
He get a 3.
Mm-mm.
3.5.
3.5. Alright.
Is there any more pictures?
Yeah.
There is.
Actually, nah.
No, he get like a like a 8.
A 8?
Yeah.
What about you?
Who?
A 2?
Oh, oh, you talking to her? You said 2.
A 8 and a 2?
Really?
But you and the one I said is an 8. Y'all up there. Y'all 5. Ain't gonna lie.
Oh,
I
who
fuck
who
with
was
your
the
type.
other? Who was the other one?
I don't know his name.
Oh, never mind, never mind. Oh, you talking about? Never mind. I know who you talking about. Never mind. Yeah, I know who you
Yeah,
talking about.
y'all up. And I
Listen,
fuck with your tats.
appreciate it. But now, y'all be good, man.
You so.
Hmm? You said what?
Columbia where? Columbia where?
Nah, I'm not in Colombia.
Oh, that's a VPN.
Hmm?
It's a VPN.
Nah, I don't know why I said Colombia.
Yeah, I
My
said
monkey had be
Columbia.
tripping. Nah, real quick. Lexington. Nah, real quick though. How old are you?
19.
19.
Mm-hmm.
All right, baby. Let me show you something right quick. All right. So what I'm gonna have you do is rate my homeboys real quick. Oh, are we supposed to be doing that? Oh, no, that's this week. I'm tripping. I thought that was today.
Mm. All right, so no offense. It's He's like a. How do you see the attractive scale? Like, do you see,
1 out of 10.
one just being one being like a no, five being like a
A
average,
one, a
six.
one. I say, I say 6 is average. A 6 and up.
You don't see five being average, six being cute, seven
Nah,
being you're attractive, eight, okay, you're good looking, nine, you're handsome, 10, you're drop dead gorgeous.
I
Because
ain't gonna
that's how
lie.
the attractive scale works.
After a 6 and under, you yeah nah. But
Yeah.
I mean, what he get?
What do you see? So what do you see yourself on the scale before I rate your friend?
Why are you asking me where do I see myself? I'm just saying, like, just give him a rating, like a 1 through 10.
Okay, well then I guess if I was to go by your scale, I'd go a six, average.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool.
Lower. He's just not my type. No disrespect. He's just not my type.
Okay.
Just not my type.
So like what he get?
The same. He's just not my type.
Oh, so he in the same category as the other one.
Not same category, just
Oh,
not something I would go for.
for sure, for sure, for sure. Mm,
Mm, I'll give him like a six, almost a seven.
a 6, almost a 7. So he up higher than the other two. What the other three?
Mm.
All right. Here we go.
I can't really. Is that just one picture?
Yeah,
I'll give him a six.
a 6.
I'll give him a six.
Decent ratings, decent ratings, decent ratings. All right, for sure, for sure. But nah, appreciate it though. Oh, wait. Me too, me too, me too. What I get like out of 10?
Mm, 6.5 to a seven.
6.5, 7. So the one that you like the most is the one with the freckles.
I guess.
That's reasonable. That's reasonable. All right, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
First game on Kyle already got it. Yeah, already got to do it. That's why I don't play that game, bro. See, just please hit that follow button and subscribe, please. And also go follow my Twitch if y'all want to see more clips like that, because that's really where I'm at. And then I post onto YouTube after those clips are done. But if you want to see them on time, go follow my Twitch. Thank y'all.